Hi everyone, welcome to Carmen's Australian Storytime. Today I am reading not all of this book, but stories out of this book, and they're written by a man called Aesop. And these have been compiled by Miles Kelly and illustrated by Miles Kelly, but these stories have been told for thousands of years. In fact, Aesop was a Greek storyteller who was originally a slave. But because of his ability to tell stories, and stories that actually have true meanings behind them, he was allowed from slavery to write these children's stories. And they've been handed down from generation to generation, and lucky for us, they're all in the one book. So the first one I'm going to read is called The Thirsty Pigeon. Now each of these fables are stories that have another kind of story within the story. So see if you can figure out what the thirsty pigeon might be about. There once was a pigeon who had flown for many miles without water. She was desperate for a drink, but could not find a lake, a pond, or even a puddle to sip from. Suddenly she noticed a goblet. A goblet is a cup of water painted on a signboard. The pigeon had no idea that it was only a picture, so she flew towards it excitedly. Bang! She crashed right into the signboard, then slid to the ground, her head spinning. After that, the silly pigeon learned what? What is the story behind this fable? Always take more care and make sure it's not just a picture and that it's the real thing. Enthusiasm should not outrun being cautious. Sometimes we get very excited to do something and it ends up that it's not actually what we thought it was, or as fun as we thought it was going to be. What a good lesson. Enthusiasm should not outrun being cautious. Always be a little bit cautious.